Stay tuned until the end. You won't want to miss any of these next-level gadgets. If you've ever wanted to capture stunning photos and videos, or create mind-blowing time-lapse videos, you'll be interested in Pivo Pod. This motorized smartphone mount serves as a personal photographer with powerful app-driven motion tracking and auto-panning features. Pivo Pod seamlessly tracks your movements using face and body tracking to produce more dynamic and engaging videos. Additionally, it includes lock-on tracking, which allows you to track yourself or a specific target, regardless of what else is happening in the scene. With 6 tracking speeds, Pivo Pod can capture sharp movements and sudden changes in directions. Auto Zoom adjusts the framing for a smooth shot, whether you're close up or far away. The Pivo Pod can enhance your video calls or social media presence. Connect it to your preferred social networking platform via Connect Mode, and you can use it on WhatsApp or Instagram Live. The Pivo Pod Lite costs about $70, while the Pivo Pod, which includes additional features and a remote control, costs around $140. This gadget is perfect for those who want to capture high-quality videos and photos with ease. Whether you're looking to create content for your blog, vlog, or social media accounts, or just want to capture some stunning visuals for your personal collection, the Pivo Pod can help. It's lightweight and easy to use, and it's also waterproof, making it ideal for outdoor activities. With Pivo Pod, you'll have a personal photographer and videographer at your fingertips, so you can focus on being present in the moment and let the gadget do the rest. If you're one to buy a planner each year or a fan of journaling, then the Rocketbook Pro is for you. The Rocketbook Pro is a reusable notebook that allows users to handwrite their notes and transfer them digitally to the Rocketbook app. The notebook comes with a Pilot friction erasable pen, a microfiber cloth to wipe the pages clean, and a scratch-resistant cover. The notebook cover also features an embedded NFC chip that, when held up to an NFC-enabled smartphone running iOS or Android, leads to the Rocketbook app. This app allows users to scan and save their notes as a shareable PDF, individually or as a bundle, and send them to different destinations like OneDrive, Evernote, Slack, email, iCloud, Google Drive, Box, OneNote, and more. The Rocketbook Pro offers both the benefits of old-fashioned handwriting and the ability to digitally store and save notes. The notebook is environmentally friendly and reduces the need for paper waste. Additionally, some people find it easier to remember things when they've written them, which has been proven in medical studies. The Rocketbook Pro is versatile, allowing users to create their own layouts on the dot grid and wipe off any errors made. It also comes in a professional portfolio-style cover made of vegan leather, which is hard and scratch-resistant and can lay completely flat when open for easier writing. Overall, the Rocketbook Pro is a great option for those who prefer to handwrite their notes, but also want the convenience of digital storage. Its erasable pages and ability to customize layouts make it an attractive option for those who like to keep a planner or journal. The app makes it easy to transfer notes to different destinations, and the fact that it's reusable and environmentally friendly is a bonus. The Rocketbook Pro is a worthwhile investment for anyone looking for a smart notebook that combines the benefits of old-fashioned handwriting with modern technology. The Rocketbook Pro is available in letter size 8.5 by 11, which retails for around $60, and a 7 by 9 executive size priced at around $55. We're heading into the kitchen for the next couple of gadgets, starting with the Chef IQ Smart Cooker, which is a multi-purpose kitchen gadget that is perfect for cooking one-pot meals in small to large portions. While the device is similar to others in design and function, it offers more features that make it stand out from the competition. One of the key components of the Chef IQ that makes it user-friendly is its complementary app. Unlike other smart home devices that have complicated and unnecessary app integration, the Chef IQ is simple and intuitive, and it elevates and simplifies the cooking process. The app provides hundreds of free recipes and tutorials, and its guided cooking features guide users through the cooking process with how-to videos and step-by-step directions that appear on both the app and the device's screen, ensuring that nothing is overdone or undercooked. Additionally, the device becomes smarter with firmware updates pushed through the app after each use. The Chef IQ also offers a hands-free auto pressure release function that sets it apart from its competitors. The feature is especially useful for those who use the smart cooker for all their pressure cooking needs. When the cooking time is over, the pressure nozzle at the top of the lid automatically switches from sealed to venting, eliminating the need for physical touch and potential burns. Users can choose to have the steam released quickly, naturally, or in pulses. Furthermore, the Chef IQ has a built-in scale and several safety features to ensure a safe cooking experience. The device is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled, with over 300 presets stored on the device and over 1,000 presets built into the cooking calculator in the Chef IQ app. This feature is especially convenient since users only need to input the ingredient and the app will provide the exact cooking time and temperature setting, eliminating the need for guesswork. Overall, the Chef IQ Smart Cooker is an all-in-one kitchen gadget that lives up to its name and promises to make cooking a joy. Its intuitive app, guided cooking feature, hands-free pressure release, and built-in scale, among other features, make it a top choice for anyone looking for a user-friendly and efficient kitchen gadget. The Chef IQ is a worthwhile investment for anyone who wants to simplify their cooking experience without sacrificing quality. Dinner parties are given during the winter months and during the holidays, and the most stressful time of the winter season may end up being hosting. Along with organizing the ideal playlist, setting up the space, and cleaning up, you're also responsible for the main course, the food. Because roasts, whole birds, and braises frequently lend themselves to large format dining, you must be particularly careful to ensure that your meat is neither undercooked nor overcooked. Undoubtedly, you should keep an instant read thermometer on hand, but if you're hosting, you can't constantly be watching the oven to make sure it's not getting too hot. Additionally, frequent oven openings can result in significant heat fluctuations. If you're looking, you ain't cooking, as the saying goes. In these trying times, the Meter Plus Bluetooth-enabled wireless temperature probe can be a huge help. Now, grilling and smoking meats outside is a breeze, even if you don't have a covered space outside for it, because the Meter Plus has a 165-foot connection range. You can grill a roast or steak, duck inside to avoid the weather, and monitor the temperature of your food the entire time using the free app. Even custom alerts and notifications based on cook time and temperature can be set up using the app. Dual temperature sensors are also included in the Meter Plus, which track both internal and external temperatures up to 212 and 527 degrees Fahrenheit, respectively. And for simple cleanup, just throw the probe into the dishwasher after you've cooked your meal to perfection. Here we have an amazing new spin on the portable water bottle. The LARQ Bottle PureVis is an innovative water bottle that doubles as a self-cleaning water purification system. It features proprietary PureVis technology that eliminates up to 99% of bio-contaminants, such as E. coli, from your water and bottle. This technology activates at the touch of a button and every 2 hours to ensure that harmful bacteria are eliminated. The LARQ Bottle Plus PureVis is a sustainable alternative to traditional water bottles that require constant scrubbing to keep water tasting fresh. It eliminates the need for trips to the store and reduces the amount of plastic waste generated. The bottle is also chemical-free and uses non-toxic purification with 0 additives, making it safe for everyday use. It is the world's only mercury-free portable water sanitation system with no replacement filters required. The bottle is designed with double-wall vacuum insulation that keeps your water hot for 12 hours and cold for 24 hours. It is also easy use with a tap for normal mode and a double tap for adventure mode. The PureVis technology is activated by pressing the cap, and while you wait, you can give the bottle a gentle shake or do a water dance to spread the light evenly. Overall, the LARQ Bottle PureVis is a convenient and effective way to ensure that you always have access to clean, safe drinking water. It eliminates the need for constant cleaning and the use of harmful chemicals, making it an eco-friendly option for people who want to make a positive impact on the environment. With its advanced technology and easy-to-use design, the LARQ Bottle PureVis is the perfect solution for anyone looking for a sustainable and safe way to stay hydrated on the go. This ingenious DIY gadget will save you time and headaches looking for drop nails, screws, and other metal items. The RAK Magnetic Wristband is a tool designed to help people who work on small projects around the house. It saves time and headaches by holding metal pieces such as drill bits, screws, and nails in one place, preventing them from falling on the ground or getting lost. The wristband is suitable for various activities such as home improvement, construction, carpentry, auto repair, electronic repair, model building, and gardening, making it a must-have tool for both professionals and average people. The RAK Magnetic Wristband is durable with an exterior wrapped in 1680D ballistic nylon and a soft interior that provides maximum breathability. It fits most wrists with a universal design of 14.5 inches in length and a high-quality fastener, and it has 10 equally spaced strong magnets for optimal performance. The product is also versatile, allowing users to lay it near them, hang it on their workbench, or strap it on their belt. The wristband is a great gift idea for dads, moms, friends, and family, especially those who are handy or interested in DIY projects. It comes packaged in a high-quality gift box, making it an excellent present for any occasion. The product is also a great value, costing around $20. In conclusion, the RAK Magnetic Wristband is a useful tool for people who work on small projects, providing convenience and preventing metal pieces from getting lost or falling on the ground. It is durable, versatile, and fits most wrists, making it suitable for various activities. Additionally, it is a great gift idea and a great value for its price. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give us a like. It helps the channel and won't cost you a thing.